prayer for the caged bird that wishes to be free. O Lord, I pray, deny me not what I seek, but take away from me the heart that belongeth to a coward. Grant me the strength to act as well as the wisdom to perform well all that which needs to be done. Let hesitation trouble me no more, and for doubts to cease to exist in the deepest corners of my mind. Give me the courage to recognize failure, but not to bow down to its lies. Allow me to be brave enough to conquer my fears. I wish to no longer be frightened by the unknown, but only seek to do what is right, what is true, and what is just and honest in your holy and ever watchful eyes. Forgive me for what I have done and what I have failed to do. I ask for the knowledge and the skill to know how best to conduct myself. Even if I am to fall again, I request that you make my failure be something that I can easily be pardoned by myself, and most importantly, by you who are the mightiest judge. All this I pray in Jesus' name. Amen.